Hello and welcome to day 1 of your major scale study unit. During the 30-day U course, we kind of talked about the circle of fifths and we kind of talked about scales, but I thought it would be really cool to make just one unit of study where we really focus one video, one scale. By the way, there's a printable that goes along with this. It's free, and if you want to support the channel, you can of course support the channel on Patreon. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned and let's get started. If you look at the circle of fifths, the C major scale is located at the top and it doesn't have any sharps or any flats. This means that on the piano, this would be all of the white keys from C to C. On the ukulele, we don't have white and black keys, so we kind of have to learn where scales are. So for the C major scale, we're playing the notes C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. The notes in this scale are called natural because we don't have flats or sharps next to them. Okay, so let's learn a little bit about how major scales tie to chords because they are related. Now, whenever we want to make a major chord, all we do is take the first, third, and fifth notes of that scale. And now the chord is called by that scale's name. So if I take the 1, 3, and 5 of the C scale, I have C, E, G, and that is a C major chord. And now let's see what notes do I have. I have G, that is part of the chord. Then I have C, that's the first. Then I have E, that's the third. So we already have all of the notes covered. And then we have a C up here. This would normally be an A, but it's not because we're playing A sharp, B, C. So that's why this is a C major chord. It's based off of the C major scale. Now here's a little extra tip. If you would like to learn how to read music notation, I recommend that you practice memorizing where the note heads are, like on which line. Either they're sitting on a line that's crossing them or in between. Start memorizing that, and that will help you learn how to read music notation. I do want to do a music reading course, but you will be miles ahead or kilometers ahead of everybody if you start memorizing where C, this C, for example, is. And just memorize 1 or 2 today and 1 or 2 tomorrow. And you'll start kind of remembering these. Thank you so much for joining this mini lesson, and I hope to see you for the next one. Sayonara!